From an ordinary grassy backyard to a stunning cozy outdoor oasis, today I'm showing you how I completely transformed this space with a custom-built timber pergola. First step, clearing the grass and prepping the ground. Then came the solid foundation. We poured and leveled strong concrete bases that will support the entire structure for years to come. Next, the real magic begins. Massive timber posts go up, creating the skeleton of the pergola. These thick, premium beams are not just strong, they bring natural beauty and warmth to the space. Horizontal beams are carefully placed and secured. Diagonal braces add extra strength and that perfect architectural look. Watching this frame come together is incredibly satisfying. Now for the roof. We install durable corrugated sheets that will protect from sun and rain while still letting in beautiful natural light. The structure is really starting to take shape. After sanding and finishing the timber, it's time for the best part of the lighting. Warm string lights and subtle spotlights are installed underneath, turning this pergola into a magical evening retreat. And here's the final transformation. From a plain backyard to this cozy timber pergola oasis, the perfect place to relax, entertain, and enjoy the outdoors.